Hey Carol, this is Devin with SEO Dallas Texas. Thank you for watching this video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition online starting today. And you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video. It's simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, so they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hand saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to take this free information and apply it yourself, that would still make me very happy. There's no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today is 3 things: content, backlinks, and citations. Content, to start, is everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are terms that people search into Google to find your business, such as like cleaning in Plano, cleaning in Frisco, cleaning services Plano, residential cleaning Plano, stuff like that. Now, Google wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your image is saved as. So, if we look at your website right here, you've got bbmaidservice.com. I love that you have a big photo going across right here, and it's a parallax scroll. This is a really, really good looking website. You've got really good looking. I love all the photos. As far as content goes, Google's going to want you to have some more. You're probably sitting right now at about 200 on this front page. Google's going to want you to have about 1,500 to 2,000. So that's my first tip. Also, let's see what your photos are saved as. This counts as content. So right now it's saved as cleaning icon 1. You could say this is cleaning services Plano or professional cleaning Plano, something like that. Okay? Let's look at your competitors. You've got mayersmaids.com. These guys have quite a bit more content, but not 1,500. They probably have close to 1,000. So 1,500 words is going to blow them out of the water. And then Maria's Frisco House Cleaning. Not that much content, a little bit more than you, but again, 1,500 words is going to blow them out of the water. So that's my first tip. Get those 1,500, 2,000 words on your front page. The next thing I'm going to advise you is to do backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest. And look at how many other websites on the internet are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other, like, cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So bbmaidservice.com has 22 websites linking to them. Mayersmaids.com has 59 websites linking to them. And friscocleaning.net has 40 websites linking to them. So what that basically means is you're going to want to get, at least to beat these guys out, at least 40 more websites to match them. But in all reality, you want to dominate them, I'd recommend getting 50 to 75 more websites linking to you. And the best way to do that is just copy your competitors. So you can go to each of their websites and see what links they're getting. You'll get them from yourselves. So like this one right here, maid service, chijimatsu.blogspot. It's probably a good one for you. It's got maid in it, house clean, so maid service, real estate directory. These are all pretty maid service, pretty good ones for you. And then same thing with friscocleaning.net. Go get what links they have. Add them to yourself. Maid service, house cleaning, maid service, house cleaning, house cleaning. These are all really good ones I would go get. Okay? So that's my second one. My second tip is backlinks. My third tip is going to be citations. And citations are important because when someone types in Plano cleaning service and they're ready to buy, they're typically going to call the first cleaning service that comes up that seems trustworthy. And you obviously want to be that cleaning service because if they're ready to buy, they're the easiest people to close. The best place to rank yourself is not right here in the ads. Many people skip them because they have bad experiences from the past and they also have ad blockers and never see them. The best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business or local map pack section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are Thumbtack. These are really common ones. BBB. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those exact same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. And I always recommend 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that number 1 spot, it takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you, and you typically have to do maybe an hour or 2 of work per month, just adding a couple citations to make sure you hold the number 1 spot and keep closing those easy to close customers. That's all I've got for you. I hope you guys found this really informative. What I went over today was threefold. The first one is content. Again, I'd recommend getting your website up to about 1,500 words. Make sure it's stuffed with the right keywords, such as like Plano cleaning services, stuff like that. Then copy your competitors' backlinks and add a bunch more on top. So since your competitors only have about 40 more than you, I would add about 50 to 75 more. And if it's ranking for them, it'll rank for you. So just go take their links. And the last thing is citations. Figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in the exact same directories and add a bunch more on top to dominate them. And you can do this part without fixing your website. So again, this is free education. If you guys want to do this all yourself, that's totally okay. My feelings won't be hurt. I'm just here to help people. If you do want me to help you take care of all this stuff, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thank you so much for watching this, Carol. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.